Welcome to MonoVM. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up a secure and efficient WireGuard VPN server using Docker and Docker Compose on Ubuntu. This method is fast, lightweight, and flexible. Ideal for both personal use and managing remote teams. Before we begin, make sure you have an Ubuntu server, root access, and internet connectivity. Part 1. Installing Docker and Docker Compose. First, we update the system and install the required dependencies. Then add Docker's GPG key and set up its official apt repository. Docker's GPG keys are as follows. Log in as the root user. And follow the steps below. 1. System update command. 2. Command to install prerequisites such as security certificates and the curl tool. 3. Command to create a directory for apt keys. 4. Download and save the GPG key for the official Docker repository. 5. Now we set the key access level to readable. Six. Now, add Docker's repository to the apt sources. Update apt again to fetch packages from the newly added source. Step 2. Install Docker and Compose. Now we are ready to install Docker and its plugins. The following command is for installation. After installation, we ensure that Docker is working correctly by running a test container like the one below. Finally, we will install the Docker Compose plugin if it is not already included. With the following command. To check its version, use this command. Part 2. Installing and running WireGuard with Docker. By updating the system and creating the path, we prepare the necessary environment for launching WireGuard. Begin by updating and upgrading your system. So, insert this command. Then create a directory for WireGuard-ui files. The command is. Now, using the vi text editor, we create the Docker Compose configuration file. Now we need to copy the configuration content into this file. This configuration includes necessary settings for ports, network access, environment variables such as user interface username and password, storage paths volumes, and automatic container restarts. The reason for copying this content is that by running this command, we can run both services seamlessly, quickly, and without the need for additional manual configuration. So, copy and save this YAML text exactly as it is in the dockercompose.yml file. For your convenience, we provide the content of this file in the caption, from which you can copy and paste it. Step 2. Docker Compose configuration. Here's what the file should include. A service named WireGuard based on the linuxserver/WireGuard image. A second service, wireguard-ui, provides a web-based interface for managing configurations. Port 5000 is mapped for the UI, and port 51820/UDP for VPN traffic. Environment variables define UI login credentials and other optional settings. Once configured, your dockercompose.yml file should resemble the following. Services. To manage VPN connections. To access the web interface. Step 3. Start the WireGuard services. In this step, we run the service using Docker Compose. This command fetches the required images and runs the services in the background. Part 3. Accessing the WireGuard UI. After the containers are running, you can access the WireGuard UI from your browser. With the following address. Part 4. Configuring routing with iptables. Optional. If you are using this as a gateway, we will run the following iptables commands to enable NAT and packet forwarding. If we need to delete roles, we use the following commands, deactivation commands. In this interface, log in using the credentials defined in the dockercompose.yml file. In our example, both the username and password are set to admin. From the UI, you can add and manage peers, view active sessions and export configuration files. Congratulations! You've successfully installed and configured WireGuard using Docker and Docker Compose. This setup offers a secure and lightweight VPN solution that can be managed through a modern web interface. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a comment below and let us know how it went. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the MonoVM channel for more tutorials just like these.